What if our legal system is not as neutral as we think? What if the law, rather than being a bastion of fairness, is a tool that perpetuates existing power dynamics? Welcome to the realm of critical legal studies, a movement that emerged in the late 20th century to challenge traditional legal theories. The birthplace of critical legal studies, or CLS, traces back to the 1960s. It was a time of social upheaval, and the established norms were being questioned. Legal positivism and legal formalism, the prevailing legal theories of the time, did not escape this scrutiny. American law schools became the hotbed for this new movement that sought to dissect the law from a different angle. Drawing inspiration from critical theory, particularly the works of Frankfurt School scholars like Max Horkheimer and Theodor Adorno, CLS began its journey. The movement applied critical theory to law and legal institutions, opening a new avenue of examination. At the heart of CLS is an interdisciplinary approach. The law is not an isolated entity, and thus it's necessary to draw insights from philosophy, sociology, political science, and other disciplines. This approach aims to unravel the complex intersections between law and society. The deconstruction of legal doctrines is a significant part of CLS. The scholars argue that seemingly neutral legal rules often serve to perpetuate existing power structures and inequalities. They meticulously deconstruct legal concepts to reveal the underlying social, economic, and political ideologies. Power and inequality are the central tenets of CLS. The scholars explore how law can be a tool for reinforcing existing power structures and contributing to social inequalities. This critical examination of power dynamics inherent in legal systems forms a significant part of the CLS discourse. CLS challenges the formalistic approach to law. It argues that legal decisions are not purely objective or neutral. Instead, the law is shaped by the perspectives and biases of those who create and interpret it. The movement goes a step further and rejects the idea of legal neutrality altogether. It contends that legal doctrines often serve the interests of the powerful, contributing to the marginalization of certain groups in society. CLS incorporates an intersectional analysis, considering how various forms of identity, such as race, gender, and class, intersect and influence individuals' experiences within the legal system. Within the CLS movement, feminist legal scholars have explored how the law perpetuates gender-based inequalities and sought to challenge patriarchal norms embedded in legal structures. Today, the principles of critical legal studies continue to influence legal scholarship, contributing to ongoing discussions on social justice, human rights, and the role of law in addressing systemic inequalities. It has inspired movements like critical race theory, which examines how race and racism intersect with law and legal institutions, offering insights into the ways law can both reinforce and challenge racial inequalities. So what does this all mean? It means that the law isn't just a set of rules, it's a reflection of our society, with all its complexities and contradictions. It means that we need to question, challenge, and deconstruct to truly understand and hopefully to change. And that's the essence of critical legal studies.